Alright, it is currently around 50 degrees outside, and it is Monday, October 18th, 2021. It's about 6:41 in the AM, so we're gonna go ahead and start up the 2021 Comfort in Heat mode for the very first time ever, pretty much. I've never started up in heat mode before up until this day, so I'm really excited to see how it does. So here's a thermostat right here. I'm gonna go ahead, switch it to heat mode, and it might come right on. We'll see. So anyways, here we go. Oh, she's running in heat mode for the very first time ever. This is the first time one of the new Comforts has been, one of the new carriers has been ran in heat mode. I'm not gonna do either of these two today. It was just really cold upstairs, so there you go. You can already see the expansion valve freezing down there. That suction line is getting extremely warm. Compressor sounds pretty nice. A bit louder than usual, probably because it's just cold out. 2021 2.5 ton. I'm not going to run this unit for very long, so no first defrost today, but that hopefully won't be too long before I get the first full defrost of this heat pump. Anyways, can't tell if any frost is starting to form. It looks like it wants to, but I don't see any. I'd say it's a successful first startup of this unit in heat mode. You could hear the reversing valve switching, and then a few seconds later it fired right up without any issues. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and to wait to see to do these units. But anyways, see you in the next video.